everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are enjoying the videos. I had posted latestly a few candle tips, so I was thinking that I will bring in all my new products this time through the video, so that when people buy candles, sometimes what happens is I forget to send them the instructions on how to do it. So when these videos come out, it becomes easier for them also to follow the instructions as it is given here. So this is my next new launch, which is the 7 chakra candle. I have made it with my 7 knobs. So you all know how this is, that it works from the crown till your root, right? So this is your crown and then this is the root. So how do we do it? Do I burn it in one go, or do I burn one chakra in a day? How does this work? Now let me tell you one thing. Before we start, at least in a month, 4 times I would suggest you do this. If you're starting on a Sunday, you can allow it to burn completely, also working on all the chakras at the same time. Now if you are not working, if you are starting on a day and you want to finish it, like every day I want to work on one chakra and I want to focus on that chakra, even that you can do. So I will tell you what is the difference in this. Now if you are going to burn it at one whole stretch, what you will do is you will write your affirmation here. Okay, my crown is cleansed and energized, my throat is cleansed and energized, my third eye is cleansed and energized, my throat is cleansed, like that. All the chakras you will write if you are doing it at one stretch. Now and on a Sunday, every Sundays, 4 Sundays, you will burn it, that the whole thing gets done. Even the kit is going to come as 4 candles kit along with my chakra cleansing oil. This will be one oil which will be coming with this. So it's a chakra cleansing oil with the candle. Now for 4 candles, this oil is lots. What you will do is every day a drop of this oil you will take, and for instance you want to work on all chakras at the same day, then every day you just take the oil and then you rub it in your palms and you intend all my chakras are cleansed and energized. Now I work on every day one chakra, then whichever chakra you are going to burn, that chakra you will take. For example, if I am going to use the crown, I will take a little bit of the oil and I will just touch it here. Now when I do my third eye, I will take a little bit of this oil and then I will touch it just here. And my throat chakra, my third eye is getting cleansed and energized. Then here, that day you will do it. Now if you are going to do it on all 7 days, Sunday you will burn. Only thing I will say is you have to be very, very careful when you are burning on that day. Now one more thing what you can do, every chakra has a Bij mantra. Like we have this Lam, Vam and all that. We have for every chakra there is a Bij mantra. So if you are going to focus on every day one chakra, it's like I can spend 15 minutes, I can sit in front of the candle for 15 minutes and I can burn it. It's what is your feeling. Then you will and if you Google, you will know every chakra's Bij mantra. You have to just type Bij mantra for every chakra. Now what you will do is, the day you take the crown chakra, you will take the Bij mantra 21 times. You will chant that as this is burning. And if you are doing every day one chakra, what you will do is you will take a little bit of oil in your hands and then you will just apply to this part. Only in this part you will apply and not anywhere else. You will apply here, fully you will apply here, and then you will burn it. Now when you are burning it, applying only this part, you will chant the Bij mantra of the crown chakra 21 times. Alright, now after 21 times, the next day when you go for your third eye, you will take the oil and you will just apply here. So you will start from here. I hope you can see this. Start from where you end it here, you apply the oil and then you chant 21 times the Bij mantra of the third eye. Like that you start on a Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You finish it on a Saturday. Again you start on the next Sunday. Now one more way I want to tell you all is, because when I send a kit of 4 candles, or sometimes I even tell people to do it for regularly for 3 months. So what I tell them is, do it on every full moon and new moon. Now in a month you will have 1 full moon and 1 new moon, right? So for 3 months, 7 knob candles, or the 7 chakra candle is what you pick with the 7 chakra oil, and then you do it on every full moon and every new moon for 3 months. This will in turn start helping your chakras to get balanced. It will help your chakras to get energized and be cleansed and energized on a regular basis. Now how do we work on this? I have already said how do we work. So what do I do, Pinky ji? That you can check on me when you message me. I will tell you whether you should do it on a daily basis or on a weekly, just Sundays, or monthly twice. All that I will guide you through. Now when you take the candles from me, I will energize it for you, and with this I will send you a small parchment paper. I will draw a sigil and I will send you. I will take some details from you, and with that I will send you that sigil. What you will do is, that sigil you will take bay leaves and you will draw for all the 7 chakras the same sigil, okay, and you will burn the bay leaves on top of it. For example, if you are doing every day 1 chakra, then every day 1 bay leaf is what you will burn, seeing the sigil which I am sending you. Now if you are going to burn everything at a stretch, then on the first day itself you will burn off all the 7 bay leaves, and you will put it in your cauldron or in your bowl, and you can discard the ashes of the bay leaf in the air. That can be done by you. And this sigil will be personalized, and a small one will be drawn and sent along with your candles in the during the courier, and you will see that sigil and you will exactly copy the same sigil in the bay leaf, and then you will do it. I hope this is clear, and those who want to pick up this product, you can WhatsApp me and I shall tell you all the pricing and everything for this. And I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. It's a powerful one. You all must remember the way I used to bring in 7 chakra soap, 7 chakra salt. It's almost the same concept. The way my 7 chakra soap and 7 chakra salt has worked, same way this will work for you all. So do try it and let me know how you felt, and also share it with your friends and your family members so that they can also use this and come out of all their health issues and have their chakras always balanced and energized. So thank you everyone, and have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.